Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to insert a Word file in Google Sheet. Google Sheets does not allow you to directly insert a Microsoft Word file, but you can add its content or links using a few methods. I apply method on add a link to the Word file, upload the Word file to Google Drive, then 2 right click the file and select get link. 3 copy the link in Google Sheets. Go to the cell where you want to leave the link. Type example, upload file or Google Drive. Wait, see this method on what? Click and upload this. Refresh. See this. Copy the link. Share. Copy link. Then open your Google Sheet. I have a link. Word file. Right click on your mouse, insert link, right click, paste, apply. That's it. And apply method to copy paste content from Word. Go to your Word document and select your data, press Ctrl C copy and press Ctrl V paste. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.